Okay, sorry about the noise. I started just by putting down, I'm on a black 16 by 20 pre-gessoed board, or sorry, canvas, and I am just going to blow it out. I am going to give my blow dryer a try again, see what happens.
seem to always do something wonky when I use the blow dryer. And I know I'm using a lot of paint. My paint is thick. Yes, I know. But I scraped a section of paint right out of here. Try manually.
And I put my boob right in it. Oh, yeah. Yep. All right. I boobed it. First with the blow dryer, then with my actual boob. Since I said the word boob like 5 times already, do I have to change this video to not for okay for child content? I think YouTube's gonna make me change it. Damn fool. Ah. Just keep adding until I get what I'm looking for, which, to be honest, I'm not even sure what it is, right? I just know it when I see it, or I think I do, and then I stick my boob in it.
Anybody buys this painting, that's where the boob goes. Actually, we're watching. I was so upset about my other. I had to do another galaxy painting. I love these. I love the contrast, the black and the other bright colors and how they mix and don't mix, and it's the this Dutch pour thing has been a struggle for me since the beginning. You can go back and watch Struggle Bus. But I'm gonna keep at it until I get it.
Please tell me I did not just put my boob in it again. Yep, sure did. All right, so apparently I need smaller boobs. We shall see. I'm really curious how this magenta turns out. On the wooden round, it just got lost. I did remix my magenta and I added more paint. So it's actually, the magenta mix is about 50-50 for Floetrol and 50% magenta. And that's the Liquitex Basics quinacridone magenta. This is the one that, it's the only Liquitex Basics paint that I have is this color. If it disappears in here again, I'm gonna have to switch it up to the Artist Loft, although I love the color. But in the end, if it just looks like a black swirl, that's not really gonna accomplish what I need it to. So.
So, for 2020, how about no more back injuries and a better back in 2020? Woo-hoo! That's my plan. And no more boobs and paint in 2020. All right. tell if I'm getting this all in or not. Really can't. I hope so. Have to go further and further away from where your canvas is. So. Alright.
Okay, sorry the furnace is going, but I just wanted to show you the finished product that turned out really pretty. Can I go in here a little bit? The magenta did show up better. I did adjust how much paint I was adding in, so it's got a little bit more pigment with the magenta, but it still sinks a little bit. But I think it's gonna really pop when it comes to varnishing. So, it's not really focusing, is it? But it looks really cool. I just love that. I think that's awesome. So, I think that's gonna look great when it varnishes. But that dried terrific. I also wanted to give you an update on this. The wood round. It dried and the colors did show up better because it was level and the paint, as you can see, didn't run off the side much. But it's warped. The wood warped. So, you know, that mixture's got water in it and this wood was not treated. Maybe it needs to be pre-treated to kind of keep the water from absorbing into it. Or, you know, it's just cheap, thin wood. You know, I think I'm gonna have to invest a little bit more into my wood rounds. I was hoping for something I could easily turn into a clock. I think I'm gonna have to go with something a little bit thicker and to treat it first. But, you know, it's a work in progress. That's kind of the whole point. So, but I think it looks really cool. So we'll see. I'll show it to you. I'm still going to, I don't know. I might not resin this just because the fact that it is warped. It's not perfectly level. You can see a little bit, see right there, you can see how it's warped right there. So I don't know how well it's going to resin either because it's not going to be able to be flat. We'll see. But this just turned out gorgeous. So happy with that. All right, thanks for watching, you guys.